So I'm just leaving our house and headed over to the properties we're closing the sale on the 23rd. So this vacant lot, I think it's about 100 feet by 180 or close to that anyways, is lot number 1. And then this is the house that Rob wants to tear down and rebuild. It's been vacant for the entire time that we have owned our house. So we bought that in August of 2014, and it's got major water damage. The guy who owned it just like died, and he didn't have a will, and so it sat in probate forever. And then none of his heirs, actually his daughters, wanted the property, so it just sat here getting ruined. I love this in here. I wish this house wasn't wrecked. It's got a huge brick archway and then a really cute big double door, and then it's overrun with ivy vines, but this little cute little outdoor portico type thing. And then you can see where some kids wrecked the enclosed, I don't know, sitting room or porch or whatever. This was what you call this. But I love this cool little outdoor room. Such a shame this house is trashed. And then this portion this is actually the garage. Look at that huge window on the garage. And there's a vacant lot right next to it, which Rob wants to also buy. And we are probably going to get everything that's inside. Anything that's got fabric or whatever will have to be thrown away because the house is full of mold. But the furniture and stuff like that can be salvaged, and there's a bunch of collectibles that we might be able to get some money out of. So it's so weird. We live in such a safe community that this building has been vacant for 5 years minimum, and it's been unlocked the whole time. It's a little creepy because you can see the mold. Yeah, like everything is exactly how this guy left it. But this probably was, in its day, was a really, really nice house. But you can see the water coming down because the roof leaks. And so everything down here is completely ruined. Jareth will be excited about that. And then this is a cool piece of art that we might be able to salvage or sell. There's a spinning wheel there. Oh, some old books.